How's it going, everyone? So we are currently in a 1 hour and a 4 hour swing low. Now we do not know what the market wants to do, so we'll have to wait. So we also have our SMT with this swing low on the 1 hour and 4 hours, so we'll just have to wait. 9:30 just opened the equity market. So we just took this 5-minute swing high buy side, and we also swept this liquidity. Okay. So this is exactly my model, but then so this is liquidity sweep here, and we also have the SMT on top there. So we can come over to the 1 minute time frame. This is actually my model. Price comes up to this point. So how much do I want to risk this? So I'm just going to go over to and see if I can use. Oh, okay. So why is it that we don't have the same? So we have a sweep here on the macro, but we don't have the same. Anyway, let's see if we have news today. Okay. That's it. So I'd rather wait for a retest of this fair value gap and see if I can use just 1 minute. Assuming we keep this low intact. Yeah. So we're not chasing price, we're just letting price do its thing. Come over to the 5 minutes. So we have this threaded up into our 15 minutes CB here. Okay, so this could be what we are looking at, just the lower time frame. So if we look at the structure and we want to mark it out, we can mark this fair value gap that was used as support to take price higher. We can use it as a key point of interest of price to use in supporting itself lower, so we can use that. Yeah. So we can use that. We can also use this down close candles as a mitigation block. Okay. There's no need to panic, guys. This could just be the market forming some kind of 1 minute liquidity, and it's going to be perfect because it's exactly what we're looking for. So this could just be a liquidity sweep. We don't need to rush. This could be a liquidity sweep. So usually I normally enter the market using the XX45 to XX15, but because we don't have any high impact news at 10, and then the setup 2 appears to be clean, and it's also not too far off. This is 9:36. I can look for shorts. So I'm hoping this forms a swing high. If this kind of closes from the swing high, and we just formed an SMT with ES here, so price could definitely go up, tap into that. Okay. I'm just going to bring this down because this is typically the. I'm just going to create one more just in case it comes back to test that. So if I go over to the 15 seconds, so this is a 15-second swing that was just formed. So price could come back, test it, or price could just go without us. Either way, it's fine. We're not chasing price. Okay, so I think price is going to be without us. So this will be my change in the state of price delivery if this gets disrespected. So this is my I'm hoping price takes this buy side again. Okay, so I'm going to move this down here. And price is leaving without us, it's fine. So I'm hoping price comes back to retest this 15 minutes. Okay, so we're in. I'm just going to add the second one in case price comes up. And I'm going to drag my stops. I'm going to take this off so you see what is happening. So I'm going to put this on 5 minutes to see if this is still intact. Yep, this is still intact. So yep, so we're out there. So that is that done. Okay. And we have our SMT. So I'm just going to take, let me look at the 5 minutes. So we have a 5-minute trend. So I'm going to take that off because price is delivered to this sell side. So, and we have our SMT with the SMP. So we have our SMT there. So yeah, I'm going to say price is willing to come up here and see if it gives us an entry, but preferably I would like price to go and take this buy side up here. I'm just going to clone this and add it to it.
I just found it.
So preferably I would like, as price trade up into this, it also gives us it comes to this DC, this CB rather, it comes to this 5-minute CB here and forms a 1-minute setup. So this is CB, okay, and now we go over to this. So I'm looking for price to come up here, take some buy side before trading lower again. So this is our 5 minutes and these are 1 minute, so I'm just going to put this in 1 minute now. But then let's see what happens. So I'm just going to take that. That was our 15-minute entry. I'm going to delete that. And this becomes the swing high that was formed after the sweep. So I'm going to put this as sweep. Yeah, so if we get some sweep here into this CB, which is our 5-minute CB here, I'm going to look for shorts. And I'm also hoping the S&P 500. I'm just going to take this out, but that's the concept. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm hoping it takes the buy side. Guys, always remember to keep your higher time frame in mind. Always remember to keep the higher time frame in mind.